Uh, uh, oh, it's daytime. What time is it? Time is it? Oh, I gotta go check my alarm clock. See what time is. It's 3:59. I gotta get. Oh, now it's 4 o'clock. My flight leaves in about. Oh, time. Flights. It's about to be leaving in about an hour, so I gotta get. So I gotta get going. Oh, I'm here. I'm here. Oh, you just made it in time, Gray Hover Go Kart. Yeah, I think I made it. When is the flight gonna board? Oh, it's just about to be boarding in a few minutes. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go find a seat somewhere. Hey, guys. Hey there, Gray Hover Go Kart. You excited for the race today? Sure am. I'm gonna go find a seat. Or parking spots. That's what cars always do. Attention all passengers. Lego Air Flight 532 is now boarding. For Lego Race Grand Prix, please head on board. Starting with Group 1. That's... So... Which one of you guys is Group 1? I'm one of them. I am, so I'm going with you. I am. And I am. I am too. I'm gonna take the seat. I'm not Group 1. Alright, guys, let's head onto the plane. Alright. Is everyone on the plane? Yeah. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Alright. Just making sure. Alright, good. Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff. Alright, guys, we're here. Oh, wait. Front comes out first before the back. Just like this for an example. So red, just like, watch the red car. And then watch the black and just watch the black car first. Like this. Okay? Alright, let's get off this plane. Oh man, I've been on this plane for hours. Same, dude. Oh, man, I'm no match for a plane. I don't know what that guy said, but whatever. Alright, is everyone here? Yup, I just checked. Same with me. That's cool. Well, thank you for helping me with that. No problem, man. Alright, let's get out of this airport and let's head to the track. Line buggy, wait up! Wait up for us! Oh, we're coming! I'm gonna win this race once and for all. Yeah, right. Said no one ever. Orange trackers are faster. No, I am faster. No, I'm faster. Yeah, none of you are faster. I am. Can we stop fighting whoever's being fast? let's just have one normal race, okay? Fine, Blue, 4x4. But you're not gonna win. Oh yeah? We'll see about that. All racers, are you ready? Yeah! Yeah, I am. Me too. Alright. Let's get this started. 3, 2, 1. Go! Aha! No, that Rust Bucket can go fast. Well, he has an engine, so... yeah, catch up. Oh man, I feel like I'm dead last. See you later, Cyan Ice Car. There, he beat me, that's it. Gotta catch up, I can't be dead last. You're like far from dead last, Iron Bus. Haha. That's sweet. Oh, sorry. That didn't mean to fell off. I can't lose to those guys. Oh man, I gotta catch up. I'm gonna get you. Oh man, I gotta catch. Oh no. Whoa. Oh, looks like you got busted, Rust Bucket. Yeah. It looks like the Rust Bucket is already out. Haha, I beat you guys again. Wow. Oh, I can't lose. I'm still standing up, green go-kart. Oh boy, my butt! What? I gotta catch up. We're now approaching the Stairway Hills. Good luck surviving on that because it's very steppy. Forget it. What? Steppy Hills or whatever that's called. Ow. Oh. Ow. Oh, that's giving me the pain. Ow. Snippy steps? That's easy. I can just do that. I gotta catch up. I gotta get up. Oh, looks like the orange dragger got out. I'm almost there to this hill. What is that? I don't know. Oh, there's the big step. I'm going down, boys. Oh, not so fast. I just, ow. Ooh. Oh man, these hills look weird. Ow. Haha, beat it, you. I'm almost there. Get out of my way! No, you get out of my way! Whoa! Oh! Somewhere I got in the heck in the very front. I don't know what that. I'm not sure if that doesn't make sense, but whoa! I'm fast. Oh, I can't catch up. I gotta get faster. Oh, I'm going down. Ow! Oh, I gotta be careful. Whoa! Whoa, going down very fast. Yo, how is she flying? Looks like you're last now. I'm not for long. Another set of stair hills. Wow. Ow. Looks like you guys are not gonna catch up to me. Can't catch me. Oh, come on. I can't be seen last. I need to catch up. Yellow vortex speeding through. Hey, get off of me! Oh, I spit it all the way here. I'm now on first. Yeah. Oh, I'm faster than you now. I'm coming up to you, yellow vortex. Oh, I see Iron Bus over there first. I gotta catch up to him. I'm coming to you, Iron Bus. Oh, I'm almost down. Oh man, I'm running out of. Man, I feel like I'm running out of fuel. Whoa! I'm beating you, huh? Yeah, right, Grey, go hovercart. Or whatever. Oh, oh, looks like the red bolt is out. Oh man, I feel like I'm spinning on the stair hills for too long. Felt like it. I didn't mean for this to come off. Sorry about that. Let's just push. Oh. Aha, I'm in the front. Can't catch me now. Well, not for long. I can't lose them. Oh no, Roachie! This way, into that basement. Into the basement. With more stair hills. What? More stair hills? Come on! Oh. Oh, I'm almost out. Wait, more stairs? Come on. Wait. See ya, Amethyst Ramp. Come on. See ya. Oh, the Amethyst Ramp is going the wrong way. Ooh, looks like Amethyst Ramp is now out. Oh no, I can't do any more stairs. It's very hard to do. Oh, sorry, that was my knee covering the screen of the camera. Oh, I gotta get going. Whoa, wow. They're not so hard. A little bit. Where the car is at right now. You get down for more steps, and then this Lego trophy right here is the finish. If you, the racer that gets this trophy wins. Good luck, racers. I gotta get down very fast now. Ow, oof. I'm almost to the yellow vortex. Whoa! Oh, glad I made it this far. Oh, oh, ow, oh. Whoa! How can this do that? Whoa! Aha! Aha! I'm almost to the front. Whoa! Oh, it looks like the Lime Buggy and the Snowy Formula 1 is out. See you later, green. Go green cart. See ya. suckers! Yes, I made it down! Oh, sorry. Trying to get the camera to focus. Woohoo! Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing to focus. See ya! Are you gonna crush me? I'm gonna crush you. But a car can't even crush me. Oh, my mirror. Never say that to a go-kart again. It looks like the blue 4x4 is out. I'm almost down. Just a few more steps. Oh, yes, I'm down. See ya, yellow vortex. I need to get down very fast. Just a few more stairs. I'm almost done. Oh no, I gotta get catch up. Oof. Oh man, that made me hurt. Now all the racers have made it down to the last set of stairs. Now, the Lego trophy. Sorry if it's a bit blurry, but it's right there, pointing at it. All right, let's continue the race. I think I see the trophy. The trophy's mine. No, that's mine. No, this is mine. Whoa! Get off of me! Get off of me! Oh. Looks like the iron bus is out. That trophy is mine. Can't catch me now. I'm getting you no matter what. Whoa, boy. Now, get out of my way! Get out of my way! No, you get out of my way! Ow! Ooh, the black roadster is out. I can't lose it. Oh, not for long. It looks like the Cyan Ice car is in 5th place, which is one of the runner-ups. 4th place and 5th place are the runner-ups. And the top 3 places are more than just the runner-up. I don't know. But let's continue. I'm at first again. Oh, come on. The trophy's mine. No, it is mine. No, mine. No, it's mine. Oh, it looks like the Go Green car is finished in 4th place. That is another runner-up. Let's continue the race. It looks like there's 3 racers left that are trying to get to the trophy. Who will win? Oh, come on. I can't lose this. Come on. Come on. I need to get this. Come on. Come on. If I don't win, then I'm not going to be the best hover guard ever. It looks like the winner is the Gray Hover Go-Kart. Second place, Burgundy Off-Roader. And third place, Yellow Vortex. The fourth place is the Green Go-Kart. You may head on there. And fifth place is the Cyan Ice Car. Yay, I got first place. Yeah. And I'm in second place. And me in third place. And we are the runner-ups. That one's in fourth place and that one's in fifth place. Hey guys, thank you for enjoying this video. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again. See ya.